Hey y'all, today I'll be reviewing and installing this lace front wig from OneMoreHair, an Amazon hair company. So if you're interested in watching, go ahead and stay tuned.
Me I beg you, me guide them father, make me see the haters a come more. Please guide me jet over, Father protect your soul. Can't stop me coming out to clean.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. And if you're a returning subscriber, you already know you lit. Welcome back to my channel. And shout out to OneMoreHair for sending me this 13x4 Brazilian straight 16-inch lace front wig. It came in this box with all these extra little goodies and hair tips on the back. This wig is the Brazilian straight, but as you can see, when I washed it from bleaching the knots, it has like a natural little wave pattern to it. Looks really cute. The wig did come pre-plucked, but I did bleach the knots and I plucked it a little bit more just so it could look a little bit more realistic for the specific style that I knew that I was going to be doing. So I start off by moisturizing my scalp and my hair with some Mama Pearl's hair butter, of course. And then I'm using the Sheisbombcollection Bomb Goo to lay my edges down for the ball cap. If you want to see how I do the ball cap method, I've added some cards and I also put some links in the description box below. And then I add the tea tree hair oil like an inch or two away from my hairline. Now I let this wig air dry when I washed this, so it kept this little wave pattern, which I love because it makes it look a little bit more full. On Amazon it says that this wig is 150% density, but I don't really know about that. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and start adding my 3 layers of GhostBond glue. And most of the glue, I'm making sure that it's on the cap. I don't usually use a lot of glue, but I'm going to be adding braids to this wig, so I wanted to make sure that it was secure. Now I just add the foundation color to the lace so it can match my skin tone and put it on my head. Another thing that I love about this wig is the fact that it does fit my head comfortably. Like, I've had lace front wigs before that were super tight and they gave me migraines. These last couple wigs that I've had haven't been giving me any problems, and I didn't cut the clips out, so I've been using the back clip and the adjustable straps to keep it snug in the back. Now I did not pluck any parts, so I am very impressed with this parting space. Like, yes, sis, natural tease, and it is definitely stuck to the top. Now I do need to catch the sides and add one more layer of GhostBond glue. And I'm doing that after I cut these little slits so I could cut some of this lace off to get it out of my way. Now I was going for the like minimal to no baby hair look with this wig, but my mirror was really far away, so I kind of cut a little bit too close to the hairline, but it was okay. Now, don't come for me, but I didn't realize that after the fact that I left that little piece of like, that little piece of sliver of lace right there. Child. Now, another thing that I have a habit of doing are big baby hairs, big extra baby hairs. So for this install, I was really trying to keep the like minimal to, well, it's minimal. And I was trying to cut them shorter than I usually cut them. You know, trying new things, you feel me? Now, I'm using the Bronner Brothers Tropical Roots foam to lay my edges. And so far, like, I love this foam. Like, since I started using this foam, I love it. I don't pick up a lot of body no more. Now, when I let this hair air dry, I was basically just waiting for the lace and the hair that was closest to the lace to dry. So now that I've laid, this hairline, like the hair itself is still a little bit damp. And I kind of wanted to leave like the little natural wave in it, but I put a little press in it with the hot comb to really define the part. I'm gonna show y'all what this wig looked like before I braided it down. Like, it looks so natural. That's why I love it. Shout out to OneMoreHair. And this is what the wig looks like before braiding it down. Yes, that's so natural. Now I'm just adding some braids to the front. Then I added some little gold rings and some black wooden beads to my braids. And this is the finished look. Yes! That's so cute. It turned out so cute. Shout out to OneMoreHair once again, an Amazon hair company. This wig is only $69.99, so yes, less than $100. You can slay. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up anyway. Thank you so much for supporting Styles by Honey. I love you so much. Mwah.